Her Planning International focus on cosmetics OEM and ODM, great health, brand building and other fields. 18 years of service in cosmetics industry. We have a growth of experience, wisdom, professional, diligence, responsibility together with the elite team. Mirroring character with quality and serving enterprises with data. We devoting to creating high-tech products with outstanding quality and driving the repeat development of enterprises with innovation and efficiency. At present, Her Planning International has 3 national production bench numbers, makeup brand, machinery brand, and powder unit. Dozens of top scientific and technological experts. We use the concept of making medicine to make skincare products. We have a 100,000 level GMP purification workshop, the complete set of European technological automatics emulsification production system. We obtained the dual qualification certification of FDA and GMPC of the European Union. Driven by core scientific and technological innovation, Her Planning International has established a global standard research system, filed for a number of patents, and has 12 core technologies to improve people's happiness experience and market real-time data. Her Planning International and the rest top big data companies study cooperation to provide high-quality, integrated market real-time data analysis service for global customers. With sincere upgrading service customers including pharmaceutical makeup, micro e-commerce, import and export, hundreds of domestic and foreigner famous brands, combined with provide customized service process, new product development and old products promotion. A systematic multi-directional service and thinking of brand star are our unique advantages. We can reduce investment costs, save manpower and material resource, expand profit space, ensure product quality, and let customers think fully in the whole process from product development to after sales. Let the world fall in love with Sing, made in Her Planning International.